Hey folks, the DJI Osmo 360 arrives as a formidable new entry in the 360-degree camera market, positioning itself directly against the GoPro Max, a model that, despite being introduced more than 5 years ago, remains a staple choice for many content creators. Both devices cater to users looking for immersive, all-angle footage, but they differ significantly in hardware, design, image quality, and usability, making the choice between them more complex than it might initially seem. The Osmo 360's starting package includes the camera itself, one battery, a pouch, and a lens cover, retailing for £409. DJI also offers multiple bundles, with various accessories tailored to specific needs, such as underwater housings, extended mounts, or professional editing packages. The GoPro Max, at the time of writing, sells for £349, though it can often be found for less, making it the more affordable option on paper. Both cameras follow the short, compact form factor typical of 360-degree devices, though the Osmo 360 is slightly taller and thicker at 61 by 36.3 by 81 mm, compared to the GoPro Max's 65.15 by 25 by 74.15 mm. Despite the small differences, both fit comfortably in the palm and feature a bright 2-inch touchscreen for menu navigation, playback, and framing. Build quality feels premium in both cases, but DJI's Osmo 360 takes durability further with its IP68 rating, allowing submersion up to 10 meters. This makes it more versatile for water sports and rugged conditions, whereas the GoPro Max, despite its sturdy design, is only rated for 5 meters and is not recommended by GoPro for extended underwater use. In terms of hardware updates, the GoPro Max has evolved slightly since its 2020 debut, most notably with the addition of 1/4-20 mounting threads, which allow for direct tripod and industry-standard accessory attachment without special adapters. Both cameras include USB-C ports for charging and data transfer, as well as removable batteries for extended shooting sessions. Ease of use is an area where both excel. The Osmo 360 benefits from DJI's Mimo smartphone app, which offers quick transfers, intuitive editing tools, and even AI-assisted highlight creation. For more detailed post-production, DJI Studio is available on Mac and PC, supporting 8K workflows and advanced color correction. The GoPro Max's companion app offers similar remote control and editing functionality, with the added advantage of GoPro's well-established ecosystem of mounts and accessories. When it comes to audio, the GoPro Max takes a slight lead with its 6 built-in microphones versus the Osmo 360's 4, offering marginally better ambient sound capture and directional audio separation. That said, neither model can match the clarity of an external microphone setup, so serious vloggers may still prefer to pair these cameras with dedicated audio gear. Video quality is perhaps the most decisive factor in this comparison, and here the DJI Osmo 360 clearly pushes ahead. It can record 360-degree video at up to 8K at 30 frames per second. The resulting footage is not only sharper, but also exhibits richer dynamic range and cleaner results in dim environments. By contrast, the GoPro Max is limited to 4K resolution using its dual 12-megapixel Sony sensors. Stabilization remains a strong point for both, but the GoPro Max's hyper-smooth technology has long been considered industry-leading. Even so, DJI's rock-steady stabilization in the Osmo 360 performs exceptionally well in both single-lens and full 360-degree modes, delivering fluid, gimbal-like footage without sacrificing sharpness. Ultimately, the decision comes down to priorities. The GoPro Max still delivers excellent stabilization, a well-refined interface, and better native audio capture, and it benefits from a lower price point and GoPro's accessory ecosystem. However, its older hardware shows its limits in resolution, low light performance, and waterproof depth. The DJI Osmo 360, with its superior 8K recording, larger sensors, higher waterproof rating, and strong stabilization, stands out as the more forward-looking choice. For creators who demand top-tier video quality and low-light performance, the Osmo 360 is the clear winner. For those who value tried-and-true reliability, ease of mounting, and a slightly lower investment, the GoPro Max still holds its own, at least until the rumored GoPro Max 2 arrives to shake up the competition once again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.